Yummy summer dessert for everyone. Let's get started. Mix, mix, mix. Sift and fold. Cut and fold to combine. Transferring the batter. Line your pan according to size. Transfer your batter carefully and tap to remove air. Preheat your oven for 10 minutes 180 Celsius. Put in the pan with batter and select timer settings. After 40 minutes. After 50 minutes, toothpick test. Our moist mango cake. Frosting the cake. Cut it to 2 layers. Spread some frosting on the cake board. Transfer the cake and press gently. Frosting the side edges only. Adding in your mango cubes for filling. Spread evenly and add more frosting. After the fillings, add the top layer and gently press. Filling the gaps and slight crumb coat. Frosting the cake. covering the top part. This one is optional. Adding simple rosette to add designs. Mango cubes toppings. Drizzle some chocolate ganache. Final product. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.